Are you tired of struggling with poor eyesight? Introducing SightCare, the revolutionary eye health supplement that will leave you stunned by its incredible results. Packed with 100% natural ingredients such as lutein, N-acetyl cysteine, bilberry fruit, vitamin C, zeaxanthin, niacin, eyebright, quercetin, and more, this powerful formula works synergistically to nourish your eye cells and reverse the problem of poor eyesight. But here's the best part: if you purchase SightCare through the link in the comments below, you'll also receive exclusive bonuses from me. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Say goodbye to blurry vision and hello to crystal clear eyesight with SightCare. Introducing SightCare, the astonishing eye health supplement that's here to revolutionize the way you see the world. Imagine preserving your eye functions as you gracefully age, maintaining healthy eyesight that defies the test of time. It sounds too good to be true, but SightCare is here to make it a reality. This extraordinary supplement is a game-changer, particularly for those individuals who grapple with the challenges of macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, glare impairment, or other age-related eye issues. Bid farewell to blurry visions and hello to crystal-clear clarity. With SightCare, you can nourish your precious eye cells and supercharge blood circulation in the optic nerve, paving the way for remarkable visual improvements. Harnessing the power of Mother Nature, SightCare delivers an array of nutrients derived from natural herbs directly to your eye tissues. It's like giving your eyes a VIP treatment with a lavish feast of essential nourishment. These incredible nutrients work in harmony with the wondrous adult repair stem cells, unlocking their true potential and bestowing upon you improved visual acuity. Prepare to be amazed as your eyesight reaches new heights. But that's not all. SightCare goes beyond enhancing your vision. It's a true overachiever. It's on a mission to boost communication between your eyes and brain, resulting in a mind-blowing synergy between eye clarity and cognitive function. Yes, you read that right. Your brain will thank you for choosing SightCare as it becomes the ultimate ally in your pursuit of supercharged mental acuity. Are you tired of pesky eye irritations and inflammations? Say goodbye to those irritating moments of discomfort. SightCare supports a healthy inflammatory response within your body, soothing your precious peepers and revitalizing overall eye health. Prepare to be astounded as the torment of eye irritation becomes a distant memory. So, brace yourself for an extraordinary journey with SightCare. Get ready to experience eye health like never before. It's time to embrace the shocking reality that optimal eye health is within your grasp. Say hello to a future filled with vibrant vision and bid farewell to age-related eye troubles. With SightCare, simplicity meets awe-inspiring results, making it a must-have for anyone seeking an eye-opening revolution.